Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable spell check in Notion. If those red squiggly lines are driving you crazy while you're typing, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to turn them off. Let's get into it. So first, open up Notion on your desktop. This works for both the browser version and the desktop app. Now here's something important to know. Notion doesn't actually have its own spell check setting. Instead, it uses your computer's built-in spell check. So to disable it, we need to adjust your system settings. Let's start with Windows. Click the Start menu and search for Typing Settings. Open that up. Under the Spelling section, you'll see two options: Autocorrect misspelled words, Highlight misspelled words. Let's go ahead and toggle both of those off. Now when you go back to Notion, the red underlines should be gone. If you're on a Mac, here's how to turn it off. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner, then choose System Settings. Go to Keyboard, then click on Text Input. Here, turn off. Correct spelling automatically. Check spelling while typing, and you're done. Alternatively, in Notion itself, you can right-click inside a text block, hover over Spelling and Grammar, and uncheck Check spelling while typing. This method works great if you want to disable it just for Notion without affecting your whole system. Alright, that's it. Spell check is now off and you can type freely without distractions. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Got any questions or other Notion tips you want? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.